Hi everyone, myself Arunima Trivedi, guide of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides, Kachrapada district. Today I am going to share and spread awareness on COVID-19 which spread all over the world. What does COVID-19 stand for? CO stands for Corona, VI for virus and D for disease. Formerly, this disease was referred to as 2019 novel coronavirus or 2019 nCoV. The COVID-19 virus is a new virus linked to the same family of viruses as severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS and some types of common cold. Which are the first symptoms of coronavirus disease? The virus can cause a range of symptoms ranging from mild illness to pneumonia. Symptoms of the disease are fever, cough, sore throat and headaches. In severe cases, difficulty in breathing and deaths can occur. Can antibiotics treat the coronavirus disease? No. Antibiotics do not work against viruses. The 2019 nCoV is a virus and therefore antibiotics should not be used as a means of prevention or treatment. Can mask prevent the spread of coronavirus disease? If you are healthy, you only need to wear a mask. If you are taking care of a person with suspected 2019 nCoV infection, then you surely need it. Wear a mask if you are coughing or sneezing. Masks are effective only when used in combination with frequent hand cleaning with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. If you wear a mask, then you must know how to use it and dispose of it properly. Who is at risk of coronavirus? People of all ages can be infected by the new coronavirus, COVID-19. Older people and people with pre-existing medical conditions such as obesity, asthma, diabetes, heart disease appear to be more vulnerable to becoming severely ill with the virus. WHO World Health Organization advises people of all ages to take steps to protect themselves from the virus. For example, by following good hand hygiene and good respiratory hygiene. What is the treatment of the coronavirus disease? There is no specific treatment for disease caused by a novel coronavirus. However, many of the symptoms can be treated and therefore treatment based on the patient's clinical conditions. How to prevent coronavirus disease infection? Preventive measures to reduce the chances of infection include staying at home, avoiding crowded places, washing hands with soap and water often and for at least 20 seconds, practicing good respiratory hygiene and avoiding touching the eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. So, let's take these simple steps to prevent the spread of the virus. Number 1. Wash your hands frequently. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Why? Washing your hands with soap and water or using alcohol-based hand rubs kills viruses that may be on your hands. Maintain social distancing. Maintain at least 1 meter, 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Why? When someone coughs or sneezes, they spray small liquid droplets from their nose or mouth, which may contain virus. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets including the COVID-19 virus if the person coughs has the disease. Number 3. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Why? Hands touch may surfaces and can pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose, or mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body and can make you sick. Number 4. Practice respiratory hygiene. Make sure you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. This means covering your mouth and nose when you bend elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. They dispose of the tissue immediately. Why? Droplets spread virus. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from viruses such as cold, flu, and COVID-19. Number 5. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention and call in advance. Follow the directions of your local health authority. Why? National and local authorities will have the most up-to-date information on the situation on your area. Calling in advance will allow your healthcare provider to quickly direct you to the right health facility. This will always protect you and help prevent spread of viruses and other infections. Number 6. Stay informed and follow advice given by your healthcare provider. Stay informed on the latest developments about COVID-19. Follow advice given by your healthcare provider, your national and local public health authority, or your employer on how to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Why? National and local authorities will have the most up-to-date information on whether COVID-19 is spreading in your area. They are the best places to advise on what people in your area should be doing to protect themselves. So, let's remember the 5 points. Hands, wash them often. Elbow, cough into it. Face, don't touch it. Space, keep safe distance. Feel sick, stay home. Let's fight Corona. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease for the sake of lives lost and the rest of humanity. Let us all pledge to beat Corona back, acknowledge the issues, care for precautions, act in the best health interest of the society and isolated, yet together we shall halt Corona. Thank you.